Good day everyone, this is Rodeline, your Kawais Peso or Kawais Peso. And for today, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is yung Sun Startup. Ayan. So this plan is for a 36 years old female. Ayan, wait lang ha, isulat ko lang. Ayan, this plan is for female, 36 years old, and a smoker. Ayan. Okay, and this plan is good for bagong hire sa work, new hire sa work nila. And also, itong plan na to is for the start up pa lang sa plan, and also ang gusto ay focus lang sa life insurance. Ayan, pure life insurance lang ang gusto. Now, ang gagawin natin for this plan is di-discuss ko sa inyo ano ba yung income continuation. What is continuation meaning? Income continuation. Halimbawa, ang mga breadwinners kasi, sila ay yung nagbibigay ng income sa family for us to have meets the mga basic needs natin. Pagkain, bahay, tirahan, bills, ayan. So, yung income nila is yung nagiging dependent natin. So, there are the tinatawag natin ngayong breadwinners. Ayan. So, who are the breadwinners po ba? Ayan, si kuya na bagong hire. Si ate na bagong hire din. Si mother, si mama, si papa. Ayan, sila yung talagang tinatawag nating nagbibigay income sa family. Let's say, nawala po sila. Ang mangyayari po kasi based on the studies, 10 years yung tinatawag natin in case na mawala yung mga breadwinners sa family na nakadepend sa kanila, yung kakayanin na magkaroon ng startup on their life. So let's say, si client or yung tatawag nating breadwinners nga po, ito siya si breadwinners, ang kanyang monthly is 25,000 per month. So, kung per month yan, i-multiply natin ang kanyang salary to 12 months. So, kung 12 months yun, i-multiply natin siya, how much would it be? Ayan. So, let's say 12 months times 25, that's 300,000. So, 300K yan. Now, in 300K, i-multiply naman natin siya in 10 years. Ayan, 10 years. Amounting of 3 million. So, yan pa lang, yan yung pinaka-suggested natin na covered nung ating tinatawag na breadwinner. Dapat covered siya ng ganon para masustain yung mga dependent niya ng katumbas is 10 years. Okay. Halimbawa, may anak na pinapaaral, merong mga binabayarang bahay, ito yung pagkukuhaan nila. Okay? Makontinue pa rin ang pag-aaral ni Bunso. 'Di ba? Yun yung sinasabi nating income continuation. Kahit si breadwinner nasa heaven na, makukontinue pa rin yung education na kailangan ituloy kay Bunso or education na para dun sa anak niya. Ayan, yung house and lot na binili, mababayaran pa rin, and so on and so forth. That's the reason why income continuation yung pinangalan dito sa Sun Startup. Okay. Now, Sun Startup is affordable. Very affordable kasi to. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo how much yung monthly niya for the age of, tandaan guys female, 36 years old, and she is a smoker. Pasok po siya dito. Okay, this is basis to that age and a gender and yung habits niya as a smoker. Now, the living benefit of this plan is emergency. In case of emergency, meron tayong handy loan. Pwede pong mag-loan dito based on the value of the plan. And may tinatawag dito na additional portion of face amount will be given in advance in case of may tinatawag na life insurance or life insured was diagnosed per attorney, may taning na po for that breadwinner. Now, the money back feature is that when the plan, ayan po money back feature nito surpasses the after 10 years nga po, 50% of the total premiums po ang pinag-uusapan natin is ibabalik po sa inyo. Yung 50,000, or rather 50% rather na yon. Okay, 50%. Tandaan 50% po yung total premium. So based on the example that is given here, nabanggit ko nga po sa inyo that this is ipapangalan natin si client ay si Miss Saranet and she is 36 years old in the Philippines. Ang nilagay natin dito, ang face amount niya is 1 million. Ang kanyang premium, total premium po talaga ay 22. May dinagdag lang tayong riders dito na in case of accident at ang cause ng death niya ay accident, madadagdagan po ito ng how much sa tingin nyo? Tama. Ayan, i-add yung nandirito sa baba. Ito yon yung rider na dinagdag natin. Ang cause of death is, tatawag natin, ayan, cause of death is accident, 2 million po ang ibibigay sa family. Let's say naman, hindi naman po nag-cause of death yung kinamatay ni client, ayan po. Ang mangyayari po dyan, hindi po 2 million ang makukuha Ang makukuha lang po is how much? Ayan, within the 10 years of insured siya. And yes, 1 million lang po. And that's the reason why ang premium amount of binabayaran for the 50% na nabanggit natin kanina is will basis on 22,080. So, dito tayo magmumultiply. Ayan, dito tayo magmumultiply, no? So, i-multiply natin siya in, tatawag natin, 10 years. Kasi si client, na-surpass niya yung 10 years. Eh, ang sabi, after 10 years, di ba, may 50% tayo ng total premium ibabalik. So, 22,080, ayan siya, i-multiply natin in 10 years, that's 220 times natin sa 50%, yung 110, 400, ayan, amounting 100,400 is ibabalik kay Ma'am Saranet kasi nabuhay siya beyond of pinag-usapan na 10 years. So, that's the good thing about this plan. Okay. And the total amount po pala ng premium na ito is annually, based on her case, a 36 female, a smoker, and siya ay currently in the Philippines, ayan, 23,480 per annual. So, let's divide it for, ayan, 20,480, ayan, check lang natin. Divide natin sa 12 months, that's 1,100, 957. Yung round off na natin. So, per month, 1,957 ang kanyang monthly per month kung iisipin natin. And nabanggit natin kanina, 25,000 ang kanyang salary. So, sa tingin nyo, pasok ba? Pasok na pasok po yan siya. In case, kung ito ang target lang niya for the month na pang-protection sa sarili niya. Okay. So, let's continue, no? So, let's narrow it down. I-summarize natin lahat. Okay. Si ma'am is, again, a 36 years old female, ayan, looking for an insurance plan that is worth 2,000 lang po. And start up pa lang naman yung kanyang work. Ayan, sisimula pa lang siya as siya ay breadwinner. Now, ang coverage po ng insurance niya is 10 years lang po yun. And after 10 years, ayan, nabanggit nga natin, may money back siya kanina. And the payment period will be 10 years lang din. And the total amount for the premium that will be added with rider is 23,480. Now, In case of nabanggit ko nga na 10 years period po ito, ayan, in that period of 10 years, kung sakaling hindi pa natatapos ang 10 years, ayan, ang beneficiary will be receiving a 1 million. Now, ito yung nabanggit ko na sa inyo, yung money back na 50%, nabanggit ko na rin po itong 22,080 will basis for the total basic premiums na nabanggit ko kanina without the riders. Diyan mag-base ng computation for the money back na tatag natin 110,400. The living benefit. In case of terminal illness in advance, mabibigay po yung tatag nating 60% of the face amount. Maximum nito is 2 million across all the Sun Life. If meron pa po siyang ibang policy sa Sun Life, ayan, other than that, ang pinaka-maximum is 2 million. Now, the case po dito kay client, 1 million naman po yung nilagay natin. So, the 60% of the 1 million is 600,000 ang ibibigay in advance sa kanya. In case of nataningan na po ng life expectancy prior for 12 months na lang po. Now, policy loan is in case of emergency, you may borrow a policy cash value po. Doon sa i-indicate sa policy na po ito. Now, the supplementary protection of these riders, ito yung nabanggit ko nga po yung accidental death benefit is amounting 1 million ang nilagay natin. A total of, in case nga po a death, 2 million po ma-receive ng family or yung beneficiary. Now, the summary cost of the values of this one is yung tatang nating basic na is 22,080. Nag-add tayo ng 1,400 kaya naging 23,480 po siya. Yung living benefit rider, wala po siyang bayad, free po siya. And the cash value growth will be on the third year, may 5,950 that loanable. And then also in the 10th year, if there will be a maturity, ibibigay na lang po yung 50% of the total of the premium. Ayan po siya. Alright. Important disclosure. You should only apply if you intended to pay yung premium ng full 10 years. Kasi kapag hindi po kayo nagbayad for the month, it could be a terminating na po. Automatic po yun na sasabihin sa inyo, i-remind kayo na pwedeng ma-terminate na if you will not comply for the month annual premium paying po ninyo. Ayan, okay. Now, this cover for over 10 years inflation. Ibig po sabihin, kasi nagkakaedad din po ang client and meron tayong certainly natatag ng inflation, there is a basic regarding on here na about the amount of the plan. Ayan, any outstanding loans and advances plus may interest po, I disclose that will be deducted for the beneficiary in the paid out process. And guys, pag may narinig kayo ng non-participating and participating, ibig pong sabihin kasi ng non-participating dito sa plan na to, this is not earning any dividends. Hindi po siya nag-earn ng any dividends or participating earning from the company profits. So, it is a pure, tatag nating pure insurance po ito. Okay? Pure insurance, ito yung traditional na in case of death, ayan, may makiklaim. And also, yung kanina nga po, may living benefit na yun in terms of terminal. Ayan, illness. Kasama na po. Sa ibang insurance, wala po halos ng ganyan. Kay Sun Life, meron po siya. And that's a free. Ayun ang kabaitan niya. And then, yung tatag nating maturation. Yung after surpassing 10 years. Makuha mo yung 50% of the total payment that you did dito sa plan na to. So again, if you have any questions, let me know and I will give you the answer. This plan is covered for 2,000 per month equivalent. And this is for female, 36 years old, and smoker. A new hire. Ayan. Ayan, thank you guys.